In this video, we are going to learn about indices, and at first we will learn the laws of indices. A to the power m into a to the power n. If the bases are same, then the power will be added. That means a to the power m into a to the power n means a to the power m plus n. If we divide two numbers and their base same and the power different, then the powers will be subtracted. We know that if we write a to the power m, this is called power and this is called base. If we write a to the power m to the power n, that means these powers will multiply, it will become a to the power mn. A to the power half means root a to the power 1 by 3 means cubic root a to the power 0 means 1. This shape, root or cubic root, these shapes are called surd form, and a to the power something shape, these are called indices formed. So a to the power half, this is indices form, and root a, this is surd form. There are two more laws, a to the power m into b to the power m. That means if the powers same but the bases are different, then the answer will be ab whole to the power m, and a to the power m divided by b to the power m means a by b whole to the power m. These three and these two, there are 5 laws of indices that we should know for our mathematical problems in O level and A level. Now we will discuss some examples to clarify them more. 2 to the power minus 3 into 2 to the power 4. We know that if the bases are same, we can simply add the powers, minus 3 plus 4. 2 to the power 1, that means 2. Anything to the power 1 is that thing. If we write a to the power 1, that means a. 3x to the power minus 4 multiplied by 2 by 3 x to the power half. We can write this as 3x to the power minus 4 into 2x to the power half divided by 3. So these three cancels each other. 2 into x to the power minus 4 plus half, because if the base same, powers will be added. So 2 into x to the power minus 4 plus half, that means minus 7 by 2. Now question number 3, 2 by 5 x to the power half divided by 2x to the power minus 2. That means it looks like this, 2x to the power half divided by 5, this will be divided 2x to the power minus 2. These two will be cancelled by each other, 1 by 5 x to the power half minus 2, because we know that in case of division, the power of denominator will be subtracted from the power of numerator. So in denominator we can write 5, and in numerator we can write x to the power half minus plus 2. That means in denominator we can see a 5, and in numerator x to the power half plus 2, that means 2.5 or 5 by 2. This is our answer. Question number 4, 2x to the power 5 divided by 3 whole cube. That means this power will be applied for each of them. That means 2 cube x to the power 5 cube divided by 3 cube. 2 cube means 8, 3 cube it means 27. So 8 divided by 27, and what about x? X to the power 5 to the power 3. So a power above another power, the powers will multiply. So 5 into 3, 15. It becomes 8x to the power 15 divided by 27. Question number 5, 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 means 5 2's will multiply. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, into 2 8, into 2 16, into 2 32. Question number 6, 4 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Question number 7, 5 to the power minus 2. You can see the first formula here, that a to the power minus m, that means 1 divided by a to the power m. It means 5 to the power minus 2 means 1 divided by 5 square equal to 1 divided by 25. 100 to the power half, that means root over 100. And as you are an O-level student and I already taught you that you must memorize the squares of 1 to 15 and the corresponding roots. That means root 100 equal to 10. You must memorized it already, equal to 10 answer. 8 to the power minus 2 by 3. You know that 8 means what? 8 means 2 cube to the power minus 2 by 3. And from this law, we can say that if a power sits above another power, what happens? The powers multiply. 2 to the power 3 multiplied by minus 2 by 3. These three cancel out each other. So 2 to the power minus 2, that means 1 divided by 2 square equal to 1 by 4. Question number 10. 32 to the power x equal to 2. You know that 32 means 2 to the power 5. How do you know that? Because in example 5 you saw that 2 to the power 5 equal to 32 equals to 2. That means 2 to the power 5x equal to 2. 2 means 2 to the power 1. Therefore 5x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 5. This is our answer.